Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I created a look using a bunch of new products from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and they came out with some really cool stuff, especially these eyeshadow palettes that I will be using in this video. I'm actually going to be using one of them, and there's some other cool products that they came out with, but I haven't had a chance to really film or play with them, so they will also be included in this video. So if you guys want to see how I created this kind of colorful, summer, bronzy pop of color look, then keep on watching. I'm starting off with a Hydogel under eye mask from e.l.f. and these are going to plump, moisturize, and soothe my under eye area before I apply my makeup. So e.l.f. just came out with two brand new eyeshadow palettes, and these are definitely some good eyeshadow palettes, so I'm going to play with these today. So this one right here is Bird of Paradise. This is what I'm going to be using in this tutorial. And the other one is Posh Peacock. So if you guys want to see me create a look with this, then let me know. I'm starting off with the e.l.f. eye primer to use as a base before shadow, and this will prevent creasing and bring out the pigments of the shadow. Now I'm playing with the e.l.f. Bird of Paradise Chromatic eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the lightest brown in the palette, and I'm going to use this as a transition color. Now I'm moving on to the matte warm brown that comes in the palette, and I'm going to sweep this back and forth in my crease to add some warmth to my look. Besides my crease, I'm also going to apply that same color in the inner and outer corner of my lower lid. Next, I'm working with the pretty bronzy shade that's in the center of the palette, and I'm going to sweep this on the center of my lid to give a little glow. I'm also going to sweep this in my crease to blend everything out. I'm going to apply a few coats of mascara to my top lashes, then apply these falsies. These are from House of Lashes from their Faux Minx collection. Now that my eyes are nice and hydrated underneath, I'm going to work on my complexion. So I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. This is going to hydrate my skin and prep my skin before foundation. Now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Matte HD Longwear Matte Foundation. This has been one of my favorites lately. It gives me the coverage I need, especially because I have a lot of blemishes, and I'm also very oily, so this helps control the shine and gives me a matte finish. Now I'm just doing a little concealing underneath my eye area with a concealer to help brighten and get rid of those dark circles, and I'm just blending it out with a beauty blender. Now I'm just setting underneath my eyes with a banana powder, and then I'm going to set the rest of my face with a powder from LA Girl just to keep everything in place. Now I'm going to quickly fill in my brows using the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in the color Espresso. This is great for filling in my brows, giving them a little bit more definition, and keeping my brows on point. Going back to the eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this kind of purpley burgundy color, and I'm just going to sweep this underneath my eyes to smoke out the look and give a pop of color. I'm also going to go in with that dusty purple color, and I'm going to use this to blend out the edges of that purple shadow. Now I'm going to use the lightest purple that comes in this palette, and I'm going to sweep this around the inner corners of my eyes for a pop of color and to brighten up the look. Next, I'm going to use this blush and bronzer duo in St. Lucia from e.l.f. and I'm going to use the bronzer and apply this around my face just to warm up my complexion. Moving on to the blush, this is a very nice soft peachy shade, so I'm just going to sweep this on my cheeks for a hint of color. This is the e.l.f. Highlighting Halograhic Duo in the color Sirens Call. I'm going to use the lightest shade in this duo, which gives a pretty golden glow, and I'm just going to pop this on the highest points of my cheeks, my nose, and my cupid's bow. I'm going to outline and define my lips with the Perfect Precision Lip Pencil from LA Girl Cosmetics, and then I'm going to move on to some gloss. This is the e.l.f. Prismatic Lip Gloss in the color Rose Quartz, and this looks so pretty on top of that nude. It just gives those little hints of rose and purple tones, and I love it. Last but not least, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Beauty Shield. This is the Daily Defense Makeup Mist. Not only does it set your makeup, but it helps protect against environmental stressors. Alright, you guys, so that wraps up this video. If you liked this tutorial and wanted to see me do another look using this palette, then let me know down below, and I'll also list all the products I used in this video to create this look. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.